Mosquitoes, nature's tiny vampires. We all know they suck, literally. But did you know they are also one of the deadliest creatures on the planet? Not because of the bite, but because of what lives inside it. They don't just steal a drop of your blood, but they also deliver deadly diseases straight into your system. And the mosquitoes aren't the only ones doing this. Fleas, ticks, and flies have also been responsible for some of the worst pandemics in history. I am Dr. Ron, your friendly neighborhood zoologist, and today we are diving into the wild world of vectors, the tiny creatures that spread massive diseases. In today's video, we are going to be looking at what they are, how do they do it, and can we stop them? Let's find out. Stick around till the end because I'm going to tell you about a disease that literally turns people into walking zombies. Alright, let's start with the basics. What exactly is a vector? In biology, a vector is a living organism that transmits pathogens like bacteria, viruses, or parasites from one host to the other. Vectors don't cause the disease themselves, they only spread it. Take mosquitoes, for example. They don't cause malaria, but when they bite an infected person, they pick up the Plasmodium parasite. The next time they bite someone else, boom, the new host has been infected. Or take ticks. They are famous for spreading Lyme disease. They bite an animal, pick up the bacteria, and usually pass it on to the next unlucky victim, which is usually us. Vectors have some pretty sneaky ways of spreading diseases. Let's break down the most common methods. The most famous technique: blood-sucking assassins. Mosquitoes, ticks, and fleas all spread disease this way. Their saliva not only contains anticoagulants to stop your blood from clotting, but also deadly pathogens they are carrying. Mosquitoes are known to spread malaria, dengue, and Zika virus. Ticks spread Lyme disease, and fleas are most famously known for spreading the bubonic plague, which is also known as Black Death. Did you know that a mosquito's saliva numbs your skin before it bites you? That's why you don't feel the mosquito bite right away. Some vectors don't even need to bite you. They just poop on your food. Gross, right? Houseflies land on rotting garbage, pick up bacteria, and then spread it to your lunch when they stop by for a visit. Thanks, flies. Really appreciate it. Houseflies are known to spread Salmonella, E. coli, and dysentery. Cockroaches, on the other hand, spread cholera and typhoid fever. Ever heard of Black Death? One of the worst pandemics in human history, wiping out almost 50 million people in Europe. You can thank fleas and rats for that one. Fleas carrying Yersinia pestis bacteria would hitch a ride on rats, and when the rats entered human settlements, well, you know the rest. Now let's talk about the heavy hitters. Some of the worst diseases ever spread by vectors. This one's a classic. Malaria has been around for thousands of years and still infects over 200 million people every year. Dengue, aka breakbone fever, because the pain is that intense. No cure, just suffering. Thanks, mosquitoes. Lyme disease spread by deer ticks. This one causes fever, joint pain, and if untreated, some severe nerve damage. Black Death. Remember when a third of Europe died in the 1300s? Yeah, thank flea Uber rides for that one. And now for the weirdest one, rabies. Technically, rabies isn't spread by an insect vector, but it is one of the scariest diseases out there. The virus turns its victims aggressive, makes them afraid of water, and if symptoms appear, it's 100% fatal. Now that we know how vectors work, can we actually stop them? Well, yes, here's how. For mosquitoes, use bed nets, insect repellents. And fun fact, scientists are making genetically modified mosquitoes that self-destruct before they can spread any disease. For flies and cockroaches, keep your food covered and your trash sealed. Less filth equals fewer disease delivery boys. For ticks, wear long sleeves when hiking and always check yourself afterwards. So the next time you see a mosquito, remember, it's not just a tiny annoying little bug, but a biological weapon. Which vector-borne disease freaks you out the most? Let me know in the comments. And if you have learned something new today, don't forget to subscribe, like, hit that bell icon and share this video with your friends. Dr. Ron, your friendly neighborhood zoologist, signing off. Until next time, stay curious, my friends.